हॅलो स्टुडंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चॅनल महाराष्ट्र मीडिया. महाराष्ट्र मीडियाच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलवर मी ऋतुजा लावरे तुमचं मनापासून स्वागत करते. तुम्ही अद्याप आमच्या शैक्षणिक चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केले नसेल तर आत्ताच सबस्क्राईब करा, बेल आयकॉनला क्लिक करा आणि सर्वात आधी नवीन व्हिडिओचे नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा. महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड क्लास 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 13 केमिकल चेंज अँड केमिकल बॉन्ड टेक्स्टबुक क्वेश्चन्स अँड आन्सर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आहे त्यामध्ये कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट बाय फिलिंग द गॅप्स युझिंग ॲप्रोप्रिएट टर्म फ्रॉम द टर्म गिवन इन द ब्रॅकेट्स. इथे काही आन्सर्स दिलेले आहेत. ओके, सो आपला ए आहे अँड डॅश डॅश इज ड्रॉन इन बिटवीन द रिॲक्टंट्स अँड प्रोडक्ट्स व्हाईल रायटिंग द इक्वेशन फॉर अ केमिकल रिॲक्शन. आन्सर आहे an arrow is drawn in between the reactants and products while writing the equation for a chemical reaction. Then next B आहे rusting of iron is a dash dash chemical change. Answer rusting of iron is a slow chemical change. Then next C आहे the spoiling of a food is a chemical change which is recognized from the generation of certain dash dash due to it. Answer the spoiling of food is a chemical change which is recognized from the generation of certain smell due to it. A colorless solution of a calcium hydroxide in a test tube turns dash dash on a blowing in it through a blow tube for some time. Answer a colorless solution of a calcium hydroxide in a test tube turns milky on blowing in it through a blow tube for some time. Then E, the white particles of a baking soda disappear when put in lemon juice. This means that it is a dash dash change. The white particles of a baking soda disappear when put in lemon juice. This means that it is chemical change. Then F, oxygen is a dash dash in respiration. Answer oxygen is a reactant in respiration. Then G, sodium chloride is a dash dash compound while hydrogen chloride is a compound. Answer sodium chloride is an ionic compound while hydrogen chloride is a covalent compound. Then H, electron dash dash is a complete in each hydrogen in a hydrogen molecule. Answer electron duplet is a complete in each hydrogen in a hydrogen molecule. Then next, chlorine means Cl2 molecule is formed by dash dash of electrons between two chlorine atoms. Answer chlorine molecule is formed by sharing of electrons between the two chlorine atoms. Then next, question number 2, explain by writing a word equation. A, respiration is a chemical change. Answer respiration is a biological process. In this process air is inhaled. Oxygen present in this inhaled air reacts with glucose present in the cells of the body, forming carbon dioxide and water. Moreover, we cannot obtain glucose and oxygen from carbon dioxide and water. Hence, respiration is a chemical change. Okay, there is a word equation. You can see glucose plus oxygen. It gives, by the respiration, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. B आहे hard water gets softened on mixing with a solution of washing soda. Answer hard water does not form leather with soap and is brackish to taste. This is because hard water contains the chloride and sulfate salts of calcium and magnesium in dissolved state. When a solution of washing soda is added to hard water, it forms a precipitate of calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, which is removed by filtration. Thus water is softened. Word equation is, you can see here, calcium chloride plus sodium carbonate. It gives calcium carbonate plus sodium chloride. Okay. Then next, C, limestone powder. Limestone powder disappears on adding to dilute hydrochloric acid. Answer in the reaction of dilute HCl and limestone powder, CaCO3 means limestone disappears slowly and carbon dioxide CO2 liberates slowly. Word equation, calcium carbonate plus dilute hydrochloric acid, it gives calcium chloride plus water plus carbon dioxide. Then B, bubbles are seen on adding lemon juice to baking soda. Answer when baking soda is added to lemon juice, a chemical change takes place in citric acid present in the lemon juice and carbon dioxide gas is formed. Word equation is Citric acid means lemon juice plus sodium bicarbonate means alkali, baking soda. It gives carbon dioxide plus sodium citrate salt. Okay, so this is a neutralization reaction. Then our question number 3 is match the pair. So you can see, first is photosynthesis, answer is chemical change. Second is water, answer is covalent bond. Third is sodium chloride, answer is ionic bond. Fourth is dissolution of salt in water, physical change. Fifth is carbon, answer is reactant in combustion process. Sixth is fluorine, answer is tendency to form an ion. Then seventh is magnesium, answer is tendency to lose electron. Question number 4 is show with the help of diagram of electronic configuration how the following compounds are formed from the constituent atoms. A आहे sodium chloride. So formation of ionic bond of NaCl. So तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन डायग्राम आपण याचं केलेलं आहे. तर बघा with the help of diagram. Let's see. Sodium has atomic number 11 and electronic configuration 2,8. Sodium atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell. It loses 1 electron from its outermost shell, that is M shell. Then its L shell becomes the outermost shell with the stable octet. The nucleus of sodium atom has 11 protons, but the number of electrons in the atom has become 10. So there is a net unit positive charge giving the sodium cation, means Na+. On the other hand, chlorine has electronic configuration 2,8,7. Chlorine atom has 7 electrons in its outermost shell and requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Thus, the electron lost by sodium is taken up by chlorine. When chlorine atom gains 1 electron, octet of chlorine is completed and its KLm shells have together 18 electrons and the nucleus has 17 protons. This leads to the formation of an ion, means Cp. Seventh is, thus a chlorine atom accepts 1 electron from a sodium atom and consequently a chloride ion with the 1 unit negative charge and a sodium ion with 1 unit positive charge are formed. Sodium and chloride ion being oppositely charged attract each other due to the electrostatic force of attraction. An ionic bond is formed and this results in the formation of sodium chloride, means NaCl molecule. Then B is potassium fluoride. Potassium has atomic number 19 and electronic configuration is 2,8,8,1. Potassium atom has 1 electron in its outermost shell. It loses 1 electron from its outermost shell, that is N shell. Then its M shell becomes the outermost shell with a stable octet. The nucleus of potassium atom has 19 proton, but the number of electrons in the atom has become 18. So there is a net unit positive charge giving a potassium cation, means K+. On the other hand, fluorine has electronic configuration 2,7. Fluorine has 7 electrons in the outermost shell and requires 1 electron to complete its octet. Fifth point is, thus the electron lost by potassium is taken up by chlorine. So तुम्ही खाली बघू शकता डायग्राम ड्रॉ केलेली आहे. When fluorine atom gains 1 electron, octet of fluorine is completed. Its K and L shells have together 10 electrons and the nucleus has 9 protons. This leads to the formation of an ion, means F-. Thus a fluorine atom accepts 1 electron from a potassium atom and consequently a fluoride ion with 1 unit negative charge and a potassium ion with 1 unit positive charge are formed. Potassium fluoride ions being oppositely charged attract each other due to the electrostatic force of attraction. An ionic bond is formed and this results in the formation of potassium fluoride Kf molecule. Water is, so next is water. Answer, formation of covalent bond in H2O molecule. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and electronic configuration 1. Hydrogen has 1 electron in its K shell. Oxygen has atomic number 8 and electronic configuration 2,6. There are 6 electrons in the valence shell of oxygen atom. It means that the electron octet in oxygen is short of 2 electrons and the valency of oxygen is 2. In the H2O molecule, the oxygen atom completes its octet by sharing 2 electrons, one each with two hydrogen atoms, thus forming two covalent bonds. While this happens, the doublets of two hydrogen atoms are completed. D is a hydrogen chloride. Answer: hydrogen has atomic number 1 and electronic configuration 1. That means it has 1 electron in its K shell and its duplet is short of 1 electron. Therefore, the valency of hydrogen is 1. सो खाली तुम्ही डायग्राम बघू शकता. H मीन्स हायड्रोजन क्लोरीन, इट गिव्स HCl. ओके, त्यांनी काय केलेलं आहे, बॉन्ड शेअर केलेला आहे. ओके, शेअरिंग ऑफ पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो मग हायड्रोजन क्लोराईडचं आपण प्रिपरेशन बघितलं आहे अशा प्रकारे. ऑन द अदर हँड, क्लोरीन हॅज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन 2, 8, 7. क्लोरीन ॲटम हॅज 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन इट्स आउटर मोस्ट शेल अँड रिक्वायर्स 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन टू कम्प्लीट इट्स ऑक्टेट. म्हणजेच काय, क्लोरीनला काय हवं आहे, 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आहे त्याच्या आउटर मोस्ट शेलमध्ये. ओके, सो त्याला 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन हवा आहे आणि हायड्रोजनकडे काय आहे, 2 आहेत. ओके, हायड्रोजन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फिगरेशन इज 1. दॅट मीन्स इट हॅज 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन इन इट्स के शेल, म्हणजे त्याच्याकडे 1 आहे. म्हणजे त्यांनी काय केलं, शेअरिंग ऑफ पेअर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. ओके, द 2 atoms hydrogen and chlorine share 1 electron with each other. As a result, the electron duplet of hydrogen and octet of chlorine is complete and a covalent bond is formed between them. सो बघा, अशा प्रकारे इथे असं आपला जो चॅप्टर होता, काय होतं चॅप्टरचं नाव, ओके, क्लास 8 सायन्स चॅप्टर नंबर 13 केमिकल चेंज अँड केमिकल बॉन्ड हा संपलेला आहे. सो अशाच प्रकारे तुम्ही प्रत्येक चॅप्टरची, सायन्सच्या किंवा कुठल्याही सब्जेक्टच्या असो किंवा कुठल्याही स्टँडर्डच्या असो, प्रत्येक स्टँडर्डचे प्रत्येक सब्जेक्टचे क्वेश्चन आन्सर हे तुम्हाला महाराष्ट्र मीडिया चॅनलवर अवेलेबल होतील, तुम्हाला बघायला भेटतील. तर लवकरच चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. व्हिडिओ आवडल्यास व्हिडिओला लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. सो थँक्यू सो मच स्टुडंट्स. कीप वॉचिंग महाराष्ट्र मीडिया.